Dagmar, we've been saying that we try to use concrete examples when we talk about human factors, but I want to take a chance with a bit of abstraction. I want you and the audience to put on these human factors spectacles.
All right, well, they don't look abstract. I mean, they just look like an ordinary pair of glasses.
Well, they look like plain old glasses, but for now, let's consider them to be special human factors spectacles. Now, don't try them on yet. Wait, I want to ask you a few questions before you put on the spectacles.
Questions? Is this a test, an FAA test?
Well, no, not exactly. What do you see when you look out at the audience?
I guess I see an audience of men, women, people here to listen to a lecture on human factors, and they're watching this video segment.
Well, that's a reasonable vision. But now, try on the human factors spectacles. And when you put on these spectacles, you'll see a lot more, at least I hope so. What do you see now?
I do. I see a lot more. I'm wondering now about the age of the audience. Are they motivated enough to hear our message? Is this screen large enough for them to see me? Is the audio loud enough for them to project to aviation maintenance workers who may have hearing loss from a lot of years around airplane engines? I'm wondering if the chairs that they're sitting on are comfortable enough and when they've had their last break. I'm also starting to wonder if they've had a good night's rest so that they can pay attention and remember what we're talking about. I'm even starting to wonder about it.
Okay, Dagmar, I think the spectacles are working as you look at the audience. That's great. But now, try looking at something else. Look in this mirror with the spectacles. What do you see?
Well, I have to see if I look good, but I'm looking at myself and I'm asking, am I sitting straight and delivering a clear message to the audience? Does my tone indicate enthusiasm? Do I act as if I'm confident with the material that I'm presenting? Am I projecting to those in the back row? So with these human factor spectacles, you look at others, their environment and what they're doing and how you can provide the resources necessary to help them accomplish their goals and mine. These spectacles make me look at myself as well. This is not abstract at all.
Well, all this talk about abstraction certainly got your attention. I just hope that we communicated to the audience that anyone can use the human factor spectacles to see a lot of interesting things while at work, while driving, while at home, and in the mirror. Of course, you really don't need the spectacles to look at human factors. Just open your eyes